In this video, I'll show you what to do after you finish taking notes for your research project. The next step is to make an outline. An outline is a way to organize all of your ideas before you actually start writing. So we're going to use the Popplet app to make an outline. So once you create a new Popplet, your first Popple will appear. And we're going to make one Popple for each of our research questions, right? And each of our research questions will eventually be one paragraph in our research paper. But I don't really want to write my whole entire question because the box really isn't that big and I don't want to make it too wordy. So I want you to first turn your research questions into shorter phrases. Okay, so one of my research questions is, what are the physical traits of a golden doodle, right? So my research topic is golden doodles, but one research question I asked was, what are their physical traits? So instead of writing that whole question, I might type in the box physical traits, because I know that all of my research is about golden doodles. Okay, and you're going to do that for each of your research questions, but I'm only going to do that for this one right now. Okay, then what you'll need to do is you need to look through your finished note cards and you need to kind of group together facts that are related that should come one after the other in your paragraph. Okay, so if I look at the notes I took about golden doodles, I can see that I took some notes about the size of the golden doodle, right? This right here is about the size of golden doodles. That's about hair. That's about hair. This is about the weight of a golden doodle, which is related to the size. So different weights for different sizes. That's about hair and allergies. Hair, eyes. Okay, so I've highlighted a couple of facts that are all about the size and weight. So that's kind of one category of facts or one group of facts that I'm going to include in this paragraph, all about physical traits. So I'm going to go ahead and add a Popple, and I'm just going to put that in a few words. It's all going to be about size and weight. That's kind of one category. Okay, and I could change the colors here if I wanted it to match my highlighting. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if I continue to look at my note cards, I'll see what else I have notes about. Something I noticed was there's a lot of facts about the hair texture, right? The hair is curly, shaggy looking, curly and fluffy. The coat could be straight, wavy, or curly. It's very soft. So that kind of all goes together. It's another category or group of facts. So I would make another Popple here, and I'll call that in a few words hair texture, right? And I could change the color here too if I wanted to. Okay, now if I keep looking at what facts I have left, I notice I have some facts about the color of the hair that golden doodles have, right? Cream, white, golden, apricot, chocolate gray, a couple other things. I'm gonna look for anything else that's about the hair color. I think that's all I have, but that's kind of a separate category. So I'm gonna go ahead and type that, hair color. Okay, if I look at what other facts I have left, let's see, I have something about that they don't shed and that they're allergy friendly. So those two kind of go together. So I might make another Popple that talks about allergies related to the dog. Okay, so I've kind of looked at all my facts about the physical traits of golden doodles, and I kind of categorize them into different groups. So the nice thing about Popplet is then you can change the order. If I decide in my actual paragraph that I want to talk about hair texture first, I could. Right, and then I'll get into all my facts about size and weight, and then I'll get into all my facts about hair color, and then I'll get into all my facts about the allergies, right? So in your outline, you need to have a Popple for each of your research questions, and then underneath each of your research questions, you kind of have to organize the facts to think about the order in which you're going to tell them in your research paper.